Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. As you can see from the title, today's video is going to be ways to style dungarees. Now, I've done this as more of a broad dungarees styling video, so I'm just going to show you various ways that you can style dungarees that work for every season with the odd mix and match or bit of layering added in for good measure, because to me, dungarees are all about what you wear under and accessorizing rather than like coats and layering and stuff like that. So I just thought I'd give you a well-rounded look at 8 different outfits that I would wear or have been wearing with my dungarees. Now, my dungarees are, I love them. I searched for ages to find the perfect pair that fit exactly how I wanted them to fit, because there's so many different types of them. So you can get like skinny leg, you can get oversized, wide leg, like there's so many different types. So I searched high and low and came across these on Vinted for £8. And I got them brand new with tags. They were originally from Mango and they're so cute. So you're obviously going to see them on throughout this video, so I'm just going to give you a little rough look. But I decided to go for these ones because I really liked the back. I like the way it's got that little scoop bit, and I like the fact that these are super wide leg, so nice and oversized, really flattering, and they just, I think, fit my shape better than some of the other ones I found. But I would highly recommend having a look on places like Vinted if you're on the market for some dungarees, because as always, I'm going to tell you about how great secondhand is. However, I will leave loads of links down below to various dungarees that I see across the internet that I think you might like. All of the links to all of the outfits will be down below. This is actually featured in the video, so it will be down there as well. And all of them, if they are not currently available or they're old, I'll link as similar as I can possibly find. So if the link isn't the exact item, just know that it's because it's old, out of stock, or, you know, secondhand or whatever. So without further ado, I'm going to get onto the outfits and share with you 8 ways to wear dungarees with things you probably already own. So let's get on with the video. Okay, outfit number 1 is very simple, very easy, very effortless, and just one that I thought would be wearing dungarees, I feel like the way everyone wears dungarees, but also trying to mix it up just a little bit. So I've popped on a white shirt underneath because I thought that just adds a little bit of smart to it, I guess. And I feel like when I wear a shirt with dungarees, I feel very much like I'm in like an 80s, 90s movie, you know, like that kind of vibe. But stick with me. So we've got the white shirt, really like that. Then I've gone for my little Louis V bag because I think that the dark browns and the blacks just tie in really nicely with the shoes, breaks it up a little bit, makes it not too like black, white, you know, breaks it up a little bit. Then we've got my Doc Martin Griffin quads on my feet. Obviously this video is styling dungarees. I haven't done it season specific just because I think that dungarees are kind of limited on styling options. So I've done a general, well-rounded, year-round way to style dungarees, but obviously if you're wearing this more into the winter, you could swap for some boots instead, maybe chuck on a coat or something. But I think this is a good spring one. Again, like I said, spring, if it was a little bit colder, I'd pop boots on, but I just think this is a nice one to show you how I'd be wearing them into the next couple of months. And to be honest, this is the kind of outfit that I would wear if I was going to the shops for the day or something, or, you know, popping to work in a coffee shop. I actually went to a coffee shop the other day. You'll see the outfit in a minute because I've popped it in this video, but I worked in a coffee shop and wore pretty similar to this, and it was so comfortable, so cozy, and I just felt really nice. Like I felt put together, stylish. I really liked it. So yeah, this is outfit number 1. What do we think? Very simple, very easy. I really like it. I actually really like this one. But let me jump in with outfit number 2. Okay, number 2, we've gone very dressed down, and like I said with the last one, we're focusing on every season here, so we've got a bit of everything. But this one, I would say, could definitely be altered for seasons by literally just adding a coat. Like, that's kind of the premise of this whole video, is just add a coat and it will be fine. So this one is just styling an oversized white t-shirt with the dungarees. This is actually the one from my collection a couple of, well, was it a couple of, no, it was last May, I think I did it. Limited edition collection. It was my favourite thing ever, but unfortunately no longer available. I'll link some similar big oversized white tees. Then I've just gone for some green trainers to add a little bit of colour in there. We've got the cap, which is obviously a neutral, and then we've got a neutral bag as well, just to kind of add in a little bit of some colour and just make it a little bit more something, because I didn't just want these to be very like white, black, etc. Like I wanted to mix it up a little bit, show you some different ways to wear things, different ways to style. And to be honest, I feel a bit like without the bag, I look like I should be going and driving a truck in America. I don't know why that's the vibe I'm getting, but that's kind of what I'm feeling. But if my hair wasn't natural, it would look a lot better in this cap right now. But when it's natural, it's just so big that I've had to kind of tuck it back a bit. But like I said with the last one, super easy to recreate and so many different places you could wear this. I would say this is arguably one that's like a throw on and go to the supermarket, or like if you've got kids maybe running to soft play or something. Like, this is just a very easy, quick, simple outfit that would be really easy to wear for like multiple things. To be honest, this would be a good like Sunday brunch outfit for me, because if I was going down to brunch or, you know, like coffee in the morning or something like that, this is just a really easy throw on one. I also feel like I'm trying to break the thought of dungarees being purely DIY in my head, because I don't know why, but I still associate them with DIY. And as much as I would love to say this is a good one to go to B&Q in, it is, but I think there's many other ways you could wear it and places you could wear it to. Okay, we've gone a little bit more winter to spring appropriate on this one. So I've just popped my little Ugg Tasman dupes on, which are very, very nice and cozy. To be honest, I probably would wear socks. For the sake of this video, I haven't put them on, but I probably would wear them if I was leaving the house, which I'm obviously not, because I'm filming all of these outfits in one go. But this is a really good one because the striped knit is super, super, super cozy, but where it's in the lighter colours, it's a bit more spring vibes. So it just helps to bring it a little bit more into spring while still being really great for, you know, wearing when it's a little bit colder and stuff. Like, it's just so, so cute. I love it. I actually really want the green one because they do like a green and a red, etc. It's just really nice and snuggly. And then obviously the Uggs, just to keep it a little bit more springy. And I just think the colours complement really nicely. And then I've just gone for a little tote bag for this one as well, because I think this is one that I would wear with a tote bag, just because it's quite dressed down. Like, I think as much as I keep talking about the outfit with dungarees being very chilled, very casual, very like pop for coffee, go for brunch, go to the shops, like easy vibes, I do think you could wear them somewhere a little bit more something if you wanted to, depending on obviously how you're styling them. But this one to me is a very laid back weekend kind of outfit, or like I said in the last one, it would be one that I would wear to a coffee shop to work, because basically the only thing I do during the week is go to a coffee shop to work. Sometimes I go to meetings. I'm going to show you an outfit for that kind of vibe in a minute, but for the most part we just work. Okay, we're mixing up the white a little bit and going for black here, and I've tried to smarten it up ever so slightly with the loafers and the socks. I do think I would pop a blazer on over the top of this if I was leaving the house and like actually going out and about, but I wanted to show you the base of the outfit. So we've gone for the little crossbody brown bag from Louis again, black long sleeve bodysuit. I do recommend bodysuits if you're wearing dungarees, just because it is quite breezy, so it just gives you an extra layer of something. Obviously the loafers and the socks, and I think this is quite a nice one because you can dress it up really easily. And if you were to put the shirt on, for example, with the loafers and the socks, it just makes it a little bit more smart. So like if you were going to a meeting, it dresses it up a bit. I'd probably slick my hair back into a ponytail as well if that was the case, but for a more dressed down weekend, I would wear it like this. Maybe pop my hair in a claw grip. But yeah, very simple, very easy. And I actually really like the dungarees with the loafers and the socks. I think it looks quite cool. I would love to say that I could wear my leopard print gilet with this, but I just don't think it would work because it'd be too much going on. But I do think a nice little leopard print number would look very, very cute with it. Okay, we've gone for a slightly layered number. There's only 2 coats in this whole video, just because I wanted to show you with a coat, but I also wanted to show you without, because I think wearing the dungarees is more about what you wear underneath rather than on top. So this is a very good spring one, and basically a different take on t-shirt and jeans, because we all love a classic white tee and blue jeans, but this is just a little bit different. So putting the dungarees instead. As I've said a million times, Vinted is the best place to get some dungarees, so I highly recommend checking. Chucked a little trench coat over the top just to give an ode to spring. Absolute classic. I feel like everyone has a trench coat at this point. And then I've just gone for some classic white trainers and just a little Fendi baguette bag on my arm, which, to be honest, any beige bag works really well. I just quite like it because I think the beige and the beige with the white just works really nicely. Probably would, again, slick my hair back with this one and just chuck some sunglasses on if it was a nice day. But it's just an easy one again. I think the main thing I struggle with the dungarees, as I've said in a couple of these, is making them look a bit more dressed up. It's kind of difficult, but I have another couple to show you that I think might show you in a different way how to make them look a little bit smarter. So like this one isn't necessarily smart, but I think that the way that you style your hair and stuff could make it look smarter. Like a nice slick back bun, cute little sunglasses would definitely make this look a lot smarter than having my hair natural. But I filmed these all on one day, so my hair is just staying the same. Oh my goodness, I now cannot wait for summer. This outfit is just giving all of the summer vibes, and I want to be in summer. So I've gone for this top that I've had for actually years from ASOS. It's just like a nice high neck knitted vest. Really, really cute. I'll try and find similar, but I always struggle to find too similar to it. So I'll add a couple of options. Then I've got dungarees, obviously. We've got the tote bag. This is from Songmon. You've probably seen it already a couple of times online. I wear it quite a lot. And then my Birkenstock Bostons with my trousers, which are definitely unrolling themselves, but very cute and very simple for summer. I quite like the fact that it's just very like easy breezy, no fuss, really good to wear to just the park or something. I could wear it out shopping. I could wear it for, you know, like a nice little brunch date or something. Again, various options for this one, but I just really like that it's really chilled and really good for summer. Like if I was going to a meeting, I could definitely wear this and just like put my sunglasses on my head, so when I'm walking around the city it looks really cute, but they're also just there. I could sling a jumper over my shoulders, like very nice, very easy, very simple. If I was going for a beach day, I also think dungarees are a fab shout, because you can literally just chuck a bikini on underneath, pull the dungarees on, and it's just a whole outfit. Chuck on the Birkenstocks and you're good to go. I'm going to show this outfit as a two-parter because I really like how it looks with the jacket on. However, I do feel like it's quite hard to show you the outfit with the jacket on. So we've got my leather bomber jacket. To be honest, I potentially would have gone aviator on this one as well. I just feel like any leather jacket just looks quite nice and adds a little bit of something else. Black bag. Then I've gone for my New Balances with a touch of red, just because I think at the moment I'm loving that little bit of colour. So we popped those on and I think they look quite cute. I arguably would have folded them up one more time as well, because I think if they were rolled a little bit higher it might have looked quite cute. And then underneath, I am going to show you in a second, but I do really like how from a distance this is basically just like wide leg jeans with a bomber jacket. Very cute, very easy. And then obviously if I take the jacket off, then we have a cute little outfit. So I've done it a little bit differently for this one and just thought, you know what, we're going to slouch it off and see how we feel, because I do quite like it slouched off like this. I think it looks quite cool. T-shirt is the little cropped numbers I always wear from Zara. I'll link the cotton on version because I do have the cotton on one in different colours. I actually think it's basically the same because Zara don't do this one anymore, but really cute little baby tee for wearing with pretty much everything. Like I said, we've got the shoes and stuff, and I love this so much. I actually kind of want to wear it for the day. I think it's just a really cute little easy outfit. Great for that spring summer transition, but obviously you can layer up to make it more appropriate for different seasons. But I really like it. I just think it's nice and classic, simple, no fuss. Very like, if I was to think about how to wear dungarees, this would probably be my first thought. And then last but not least, I've just got this simple outfit which I actually wore to work from a coffee shop yesterday, and it was so cozy. It was very cold, so I did have leggings underneath, but that's kind of the perks of wide leg dungarees, but really cute. So I've just got the cream cable knit jumper, which is like a nice oversized one from H&M, dungarees obviously, and then I've got my Doc Martens on my feet. Love these boots so much. They're so nice and comfy. They're really like just a classic shoe. I wear them all the time. And then obviously a tote bag, because like I said, I was going to work in a coffee shop, but I just think sometimes tote bags are a really good addition to an outfit. Not necessarily the safest if you are carrying like a purse and stuff, but if you're planning to go somewhere where you need maybe like your laptop or a book or your water bottle, all the things that are a little bit bigger, they're just such a great bag to have. I just normally keep like a little makeup bag, cosmetic bag kind of thing inside with my like keys, phone, etc., so that it's in there and I can like pull it out and I know it's not all just rattling around in this giant bag. But yeah, very cute outfit, and I felt very cool going for coffee in this. I just felt very like put together, very comfortable, and it's just a very easy outfit. But that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed seeing some really easy, simple ways to style dungarees. As I said in the beginning of some of these clips, I tried to make it year round. So none of these are season specific, apart from, I guess they could be, but you can layer up really easily. I've talked about different styling options and stuff, so hopefully gave you loads of inspiration to add some dungarees into your wardrobe, or if you already have them, then hopefully it gave you some inspo on how to wear them. As I always say, secondhand shopping is a really great way to do things. Definitely check places like Vinted. I got these, as I've already said, for £8 brand new with tags from Mango, so they probably would have been about, I think about £30 to £40 had I have bought them brand new, but definitely a great place to look. If you did want to buy brand new ones, I'll leave all the links to dungarees that I found online that are similar / I really like, along with all the links to all the outfits or similar items if they're not available as well. But hopefully you like this video, guys. As always, let me know if there is anything else you want me to style or any occasions or anything that you want me to dress for, to give you some inspiration. Try not to be too specific on this one, because I said this before and someone literally gave me like a hen party in a certain location for 3 days, these are the activities. That's a little bit too specific, but if you give me ones that are maybe like a girl's weekend away outfit inspiration, or like a wedding or a baby shower, that kind of neck of the woods we can go for. Let's just not get too specific. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.